If you're looking for the easiest way to embed an interactive map into your website, then I'm going to show you how to do it in 2024. So you're not going to be using My Maps, and this is only if you're looking for a way to embed a map that has multiple points in it. So no data viz, and this is not going to involve any coding. We're going to be using a tool called PamPam. I'm Helena, I'm the founder of it, and in this channel I share different tutorials on how to use it. So let's go through three ways of using it. The first way is to paste a piece of text and create a map out of it. So let's say that you have a blog post, or maybe you're working with a client that already has this in an article. Then all you're going to need to do is copy and paste that text and then paste it into PamPam. So here we're using this example from this really cool site called Tokyo to Go. I'll link it down below. This is not our stuff. And then you're going to want to just paste that in there and then create the map from here. You just want to make sure that somewhere in that text are obviously a list of places and ideally the name of the city or state or the region of some sort, so it does have some context. And there you see that we have our map. From here, PamPam is an editor, so you just want to make sure that you go click that edit toggle, and then you'll be able to edit it from there. Maybe paste in a link to get a photo. And PamPam has all sorts of customizable features, so you can edit the stickers as well. Let's say in this case, we actually want to show the photos as the stickers. So that's one of the ways that you can create a map with PamPam. So that was showing text to map. Now let's move on to showing you the other way of making a map with PamPam. Spreadsheet to map. So again, let's say you have a spreadsheet with a list of places or addresses in it, or maybe your client does, then this is the easiest way to create a map from that. So it can be a CSV or it can also be a Google Sheets. So here we have an example. You're just going to make your map and then you're going to click add, then import from Google Sheets or from a CSV. Then you're going to want to map the columns in your spreadsheet to the fields in PamPam. I have a separate tutorial on how to do that. And then once you have that, it's just going to import it in automatically. And then if you have some new places in your spreadsheet, you're just going to want to import that again. There we go. So I imported it. It is taking, the way that PamPam works with images is that it does use images from links. So if you use a link in there, it'll just pull in those images. So that's great for creating business directories from websites or from LinkedIn. Okay, now I'm going to show you the final way of making a map with PamPam, which is just searching for spots. So maybe you don't have a spreadsheet or you don't have a blog or anything like that. You just want to create it from scratch. That's totally fine. You're just going to start searching by either the name of the place, like Central Park, or of course, if you have the address itself, then you're just going to put the address in there and then be able to map that out as well. So this is really useful if you're just creating a map from scratch or you don't have a data set to begin with, then you can just use it like this. It is going to link out to Google Maps, but again, all of this is customizable, so you can remove those links or add in different links. You can upload your own photos, add in your own description. You can even add dates if you wanted to create an event calendar. And then finally, how do you actually add it to your website? So the easiest thing to do is to just embed it. So we do have a embed code that you can use, and this is what it looks like when you embed it in your website. Here I am using it in Framer, and I'll post a link to this demo below. So Framer is a tool to make websites. I really like it. So as long as you're using something where you can put embed code in there, then you'll be able to embed this map into your website. And it has search. You can filter down to different sections. And it's responsive as well. So you don't have to worry about doing anything different for mobile. It's just going to work on mobile. You just want to make sure that when you're embedding it, you're choosing the right sizes for it. So that's how to make a map and embed it in your website in 2024. Let me know if you have any questions and make sure to like this video if you found it useful. Thank you.